So we are discussing about explicit intent, right? And that we have done up to certain level. So that let me open that program. So this is the one which we created. So yesterday what we done is just we want to we are moving from one page further and that to the next, like first to second and second to third. Till that we done yesterday, right? So from here now, how we need to handle the back. So for that, that I have that program or I have installed. Yeah, I have. Now let I open that my phone. Just a minute is opening that. So now here, this is the program which we created yesterday. So yesterday we installed. Now I'm moving from first to second and click on this. So I move to the third page, right? Now I want to go back. So sorry, so just take a picture. So now here we are right here. So now we are in a third page here, right? So I want to go back to the first page. So how can I go back here? Now I'm clicking back here. So it is coming to the second, then it is coming to the first page. But I don't want like this. I want when I'm in a third page, once I click on this back here, it should come to the first page. So for that here, now we can need to handle simple here. Now for that here in a second page. Second page, I'll write here simple one condition. After this here, now I'll write that finish. So I'll write here that finish. So simply I'll write the finish. So that what happens, that activity should be destroyed. As of now, what happened here? When I'm moving from first to second, second to third, it will be waiting in the background. So, but now, once I click on here, so automatically that activity should be destroyed, means it will be closed so that it could not be in the background. So that once I press back button, what is the background waiting activity? That is the first. So it will navigate from there to here. That's so that we will see here now. Just a minute, it is running. It will take a little bit time. Yeah, now it is installed. Now you can see it. Now I'm going first page to second, second to third. Now I'm pressing back button in third page. So directly I'm back to the first page. See, we are in first page, right? Once I'm clicking here, now it will be closed. So this is the way the back will be handled here by using the finish, right? So now, for example, like I want to move, I'm moving, right? While I'm moving, I want to transfer some data from first to second, second to third, like that. I want to transfer some data. So to transfer that data, how we should handle that? So that also we will check here now. So to handle that data here now, what we have to do here now in here, first activity here. Now I want to take two edit text. Name and mobile number will take. So those two data we will pass to the next level. So for that here, now I'm taking that edit text. So in this is the match parent, wrap content, ID. So for that edit text, I'm giving an ID. ID that is here, name. And for this, we will give a hint, name. So then this could be here below. So below TV1. So it should be TV1. And we'll give some margin for this. So margin 10 dp. Yes. So next I want one more edit text, right? So here I'm adding here one more edit text. So that is here. Now I'll add that is the mobile. This is mobile. Right here, this could be name, below name, right? And this last button, it could be below mobile, right? That is below mobile. Now that form is adjusted here like this, right? Now, whatever the data is entered here, that I want to transfer to the next page. So for that here in a main activity, here we have to get the data. So to get the data, already we know that how to get the data from edit text. But here to transfer from the intent, so here we have to write that intent dot put extra. So from here put extra, we have to pass the data here. The first one, which is the key, and second one could be the value here. So key comma value in this format, we will transfer the data. So to transfer this data here now, what we have to do here now, I have to do here this. So that is intent dot. So here I write that put string, put extra. So in this put extra, first one is the name, right? Name. Second one is the, what is the second one here? We have to pass that, means second column, we have to pass the data. So where is the data? So that we have to get from there. So that is binding dot, name dot, text dot to string. So that is the data I want to pass from here. Then similar, the second one. So this is the mobile. So I have written the mobile. Right here, this will be mobile. Now I'm running. So this data we have to get in a next class, that is in a second, right? From here we are transferring this second, right? So in a second I want to get that data. Here you want to get the data here now. Where intent, that is I'll write the data intent. So we are getting the data intent is equal to. So here get intent. So that we have to write that get intent. Get and set both are common, right? That's why here it should be intent. Done. Here now we have to get the data intent dot get string extra. So we have to get the data. So that is get string extra. Get string extra. You have to write the name. So what is the key we have given here? So in a main activity, we have given the key as a name. So I added here the first one is the name. Like similar here, I'll add that data intent dot get. So get string extra. So that is mobile. So P comma mobile, both I have added. Right. So these two I want to display in a toast. So for that here var s1 equal to. So that data, whatever the data we are getting, that I'm assigning to this var s2 equal to. Now here I'm writing the toast. So the toast dot length make text this at the rate second. Here now I want to write that S1 plus S2. So both the values I want to display it. Then here toast dot length long. Finally here it is the dot show. So I'm running this. Now we will see. Whatever the data we are entering there, that should be present in our second. Yeah, now it is launching. So now here I'm entering name and some mobile number. Right. Then I'm clicking on this. See, Raj and mobile number we not get here. Null. So why that is null here? We will see again. So that is a null because so here simple. I only made this mistake because want to show that case. Mobile is M is the capital here. Means the case should be case sensitive. So here you should write capital M. Then now the data will come here. You can see here. Here you can see now the data will come here. Wait, it is launching. See now here we will pass the data. So something data I'm passing. Now I'm submitting this. See here in the next class. Now data will be here, right? Like same data, I want to pass to the third activity. So from here again, I'll write here, we are in a second activity, right? In a second activity right here, I'll write that intent dot put extra. So here for this put extra, just I'll write that data something. Right, then here S1 plus S2, both S1 and S2 I'm passing into the single here now. So now go back, go to the third page. So in this third page, simple here now, we will write that intent. So that is the var data equal to, that is a get intent, right? So get intent, here data dot get string extra, right? Get string extra, here we will write that data. Here again var S1. So just I'm assigning that to the S1. Right now I want to write the toast. The toast dot make text this at the rate third. Then here we'll write that S1 plus S1, then toast dot length long, so final dot show. Here I'm running this. See here, I entered some data. Now in the second page, we got. Then move to the third page. Now we got right. So like this, we will get the data level by level. See now, second, moving to the second page, got the data, and from here I'm moving to the third page. We got the data here. Like this, we have to transfer this data, right? Then now here I want to go with the next step, like one application, one activity, how that will be depend on a different system. Like that, for that, we have to check with the life cycle. So what is the life cycle of this? So in this, the life cycle, there are total 7 methods are there in a life cycle. So that how that will be affect here, that we will see here. In this, it's in this activity itself, I'll write that. So for the time being, just I'll comment this code. So here, this is already, it has one thing that is on create. Like here on create, there are total 7 methods. I write that on start. So on resume, then on restart, then on pause, next on stop, next on destroy. So total 7 methods. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on top one method is there, that is on create, right? Total 7 methods. Right, in each method, now I want to write that toast. So here I'm writing the toast. So toast dot make text. So this at the rate third. So here now we'll write this text. So toast dot length long finally dot show. So we are in on create method, right? So I'll paste that on create here. Then copy this. So everywhere I'll paste here. on start, on resume, we will change the text. So on stop, on repose, on stop, on destroy. Right. In all the places I added here. Now we will change this text. So on stop, on pause, on restart, on resume. So then on start. Right. So everywhere I have written. Right now I'm running this application. We will see here. See here. Now from here we will go to second. Here say no data. That's why this has came here. Now once I back here, see here. On create, on start, on resume. Now it is interacting with the user. See now I'm pressing back button here. So it goes to the on pause, on stop, on destroy. Means that application has closed. That particular activity has closed. Again, I'm going back here. So here now it will be closed. So on create. Now I'm pressing back here. Sorry, move to the third. From here now we are going. Now it is on create, on start, on resume. Now I'm disturbing this. Means when I'm watching movie on this page or something, like I got some small disturbance. So then it will call something. Otherwise, it goes to the on stop, on pause, on stop. From the on restart, again it will start. From the restart, on start, it will start. Then it comes to the on resume. Means when it goes to the disturbance, something it will call background and it will call back and it will come here. See here. For that, I'll explain with a life cycle diagram so that we will get a clarity on this. So that is actually life cycle. So this is the diagram. See, the complete life cycle is from on create to on destroy is the complete life cycle. See, normally while opening the application, it will call that on create, on start, on resume. And like once it is done, here now it is ready interacting with the user. Once I press back button manually, it goes to the pause, stop, and destroy. Means application will be closed. But automatically some disturbance will come like small. Like while I'm watching video, just I got one message. There is a one small disturbance that come to pause, then it go back and it will resume. Then it is a lengthy disturbance, like lock screen, I got a call, I received that call. So it comes to the stop, it will wait in a stop. Once that back to here, now it goes to the restart and here it will start, resume and stop. This is. And complete life cycle. This means this life cycle has total 3 stages. One is the complete life cycle that is from on create to on destroy is the complete life cycle. Then on resume, interaction and visibility. So interaction and visibility from here. Interaction is only whenever we have it will in this interaction as well as the visible on resume to on pass. But only visibility here on resume to on pass is the visibility. This is the visibility stage. From here to here it will visible. But whenever it is in between of the pass and stop, user cannot interact with that. Means like let us say I'm watching the video, I got a call. Background I can able to see the video screen, but until that this call screen went back, we cannot interact with that video, right? That is activity. So that will be here. That is a life cycle. So the same methods here also we have written here in this program. So that same it is executed. Now you see I'm unlocking this. We are in that. See, it is calling that on restart. from the on start, then on resume like this. So this is one of the main and important, like how we are handling, like for example, like some of the example we can see when we are in a YouTube, suddenly it will says that you are in offline, you are in online, like it will give some kind of alerts, right? So that is by using this method only, like means in on resume method here, on resume means it is continuously interacting with the user. In this method itself, they'll write that continuous checking of the internet activity. So internet is running or not, internet is running or not, like it will execute every second by second, second by second, so that it will give an alert to that, it will reach like that. So that is the main thing about this activity lifecycle, right? So it means here in intents we done one step, like one is moving from one page to other page. Next one is the passing the data between activities, and how that activities can be perform their activities that in the life cycle we discussed. Right after that, so there is a next step. So that what is the next step? That next step could be here uh, service, how to start the background process. So like how to start the background process and implicit intent, like invoke the system components are pending. So that we will see on tomorrow's class. So till this you can practice, that we will see in tomorrow's class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.